Alright, you guys, I'm here to unbox the 25th anniversary edition of Edward Scissorhands. I got this from Amazon for $17.99. I also got my lady a copy for herself, so about $40 for two versions. As you can see, got all of these here with commentary by director Tim Burton, commentary by composer Danny Elfman, featurette, and theatrical trailer. It is rated PG-13. It is made by 20th Century Fox. So let's open her up. I took the shrink wrap off already because every time I put the camera down, it stopped the video. As much of annoying as that is, here's what it looks like without the stuff on there. Sorry, my finger keeps jumping in the way here. So, as you can see, you got these air fresheners from Edward Scissorhands, the Mousse, which is cool. It smells good too. You got these things. Not sure what they were from. And we got a guy getting ready to do these. And you got some cookie cutters. You got a heart cookie cutter here. I do believe that's it. And then here is the Blu-ray itself. I don't see anything about Regencies, so okay. Let's open her up. Whew. And you have your ultraviolet code, which I won't show you. And your Blu-ray right here with this very gorgeous artwork. And your DVD. Very, very nice. So, that is my unboxing of the Edward Scissorhands 25th anniversary Blu-ray. With all you see there, and that right there. So yes, as always guys, thank you. Let me know what you guys think about this pickup down below. And I'll catch you guys later.